This video will show you how to initially set up Wi-Fi cameras via the Reolink app. To initially set up Wi-Fi cameras, you need to first install the antennas for the camera and then power on the camera. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the camera and the router. One end goes to the network port on the camera and the other to the LAN port on the router. Next, add the camera on the Reolink app. There are 4 methods of adding your camera. Scan the QR code, scan device in LAN, input UID of your camera, and input IP address. The first method, scan the QR code to set up the camera. Tap the Add Device button on the top right, then scan the QR code. You can find the QR code printed on the camera body. Please make sure that the ambient light is bright enough for the app to recognize the QR code. Then create a login password. Tap Next to proceed. Name your camera and then tap Next. Next, set up Wi-Fi for the camera. Select the Wi-Fi of your router and enter the Wi-Fi password. Please note to choose the Wi-Fi compatible with your camera. Some cameras support both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, while some only support 2.4 GHz. Wait for a few seconds. Done. Tap Finish, and the QR code will be saved to your smartphone. To check the network, tap the Settings button and go to Network. You will see the network status is Wired Network Connection. Now reconnect your camera to the router. Unplug the Ethernet cable between the camera and the router. Wait for a few seconds. The network connection will turn to Wi-Fi automatically. The second method, scan device in LAN to set up the camera. Please connect your phone to the same network that your camera connects to and make sure they are in the same LAN. Tap the Add Device button on the top right. Then tap LAN to find your camera on the local network. Tap Add to start the initial setup. Then create a login password. Tap Next to proceed. Name your camera. Then tap Next. Then follow the same steps as in the first method to set up Wi-Fi for the camera. The third method, add the camera using the UID number. Tap the Add Device button on the top right. Find the UID number that starts with 9527 on the camera's QR code sticker and tap Enter to input the UID. Then create a login password. Tap Next to proceed. Name your camera, then tap Next. Then follow the same steps as in the first method to set up Wi-Fi for the camera. The last method is to manually input the IP address. Tap the Add Device button on the top right. Then tap Enter. Select Add via IP to input the IP address. The IP address can be found on the router settings. Tap Next. Then follow the same steps as in the first method to set up Wi-Fi for the camera. Done! The camera has now been added successfully, and you can watch the live stream now.